today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, the whole world is bearish on Bitcoin and on crypto right now. And yes, I am still having open 40, 50 million US dollars in open long positions. You might ask yourself, number one, Chris, why didn't you get wrecked so far? I want to talk about that. You might ask yourself also, Chris, when are you finally going to close them? Take some profits home. Well, let me talk about that. I want to pull out a chart which tells us not only what has happened so far, clearly, but no, it is actually also showing to us what will happen right now in the immediate short term. Let's go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Today it is more important than usually because, seriously, I said it initially, the whole world is bearish right now. Everyone is going crazy. Let's talk about that. And I do want to give one message before I go into the charts, before I go into the price targets. Something I was posting recently, and please listen to my words. I said, or I asked you guys, are you bearish? Fine. But do not come and tell me again in 3 years when Bitcoin is hitting 1 million US dollars that I, Chris from MMCrypto, is lucky. I'm not lucky. I buy and hold no matter what. I grind every day promoting Bitcoin for 8 years straight. Good and bad times. Dear ladies and gentlemen, people are saying I got lucky by buying Bitcoin at $1,000 by being in early. Guys, I crashed from 20,000 to 3,000. I crashed from 69,000 to 17,000. I am going all the way, and I will be here at 1 million. I will be here at 5 million. And dear ladies and gentlemen, I am still in my trades. This is a ship. If it is going to sink, I will sink with it. I am saying it over and over again. Yes, I took in December 11 million US dollars in profits. Actually 11 million US dollars at 104,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. I kept the rest open. I opened new trades. You can see here where I opened the Solana trade. So far at the bottom. Maybe I'm gonna get liquidated. Fine, I am funding some of these trades, of course, by the profits I have taken. But yes, Solana trade open, Ethereum trade open, the Bitcoin trade on the bottom is still open. Yes, less profits than before, 5 million US dollars in unrealized profits, and realized profits and unrealized, and 8.3 million US dollars in realized profits from December. It was 11 initially, but of course it went down as I took these profits in Bitcoin, right? Well, let me show you actually what makes me doubtful that this is the beginning of the bear market. If you are looking here at the weekly candles, and this is very important to understand, look at these big wicks here, right? And these big wicks are clearly signifying the bulls are not defeated yet, right? Yes, we had another big correction down afterwards, but even right now, you can see again a very big wick on the downside. These are usually traditionally very bullish candles. If we are going back in time, usually whenever we had a very big wick on the downside, that was marking either the bottom or almost the bottom, or to at least the beginning of a big up run for a few weeks. Here the same thing. And wherever you go, when we have a big wick on the downside, we usually get big pumps afterwards. The big wicks on the downsides, very often referred to as inverse empire, because it looks like the Empire State Building upside down, are usually bullish. Something else I wanted to show you is, and please don't get me wrong, I took profits for a very good reason, right? And it is still possible that we are all wrong. And I said like this bull market will end in April or May, and I was already bearish with that. Maybe we are wrong, right? And it's starting now. But if we are looking at this here, you can see we literally closed the CME gap, and we are getting a quite significant bounce since then. Again, this reminds me very much on that one scenario we had back here, where actually we didn't close it quite yet, quite exactly. There was like $100-200 left, but we had a very similar chart pattern, and we all know what happened afterwards. Even though I don't think that there's a lot of bull market left, even though I think that most of the bull market is already over, I would say it is probably not the best course of action to go full out of crypto right now and just give up on it, right? You might take profits if you want, but selling my Bitcoin, this is not going to happen. This is not ever going to happen. If I do sell Bitcoin, I sell it to diversify into other assets. But I am not selling Bitcoin into US dollar, because then I am actually getting more of the BS I was escaping in the first place. It's a paradox and it doesn't make any sense to me. Let me know what you think about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I have to go for football today. One of my happiest days in the week. I really love it. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And if you want to be trading as well, I have Bybit link down below. My main exchange where you get, I think you get a position airdrop if you use that link on BitUnix. You can basically trade from wherever you want. You get a $30,000 bonus or so. On Levex, you see my exclusive content. All of these links are down below, completely for free. You can follow my trades in absolute real time on Levex. Make sure you use the links down below if you're an experienced trader. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next round. Crypto as always, guys, as always. Bye.